Hey everybody, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create this AI influencer videos, and this is going to be a complete step-by-step process. So first you need to head over to Pinterest, and then you are going to be choosing any model. So I'm going to be choosing this, and now it's time to head over to LoveArt. Once you are on LoveArt, they provide you daily credits for generation. Click on this image generator, and in here we're going to be simply uploading the image that we downloaded and choosing a Nano Banana Pro as a model. Now you should be choosing your image first, and you can see now you can enter in here a prompt that I can provide in the description. Select the quality to 2K or 4K, aspect ratio to 3:2. You can select 3:4 as well. So yeah, so this is the image that we get. Now it is going to be time for selecting a video for reference. So since we need to replicate the motion, we can download any video from Pinterest as well. Now once you are ready with the video, you need to head over to the website which is going to be helping you to download. So copy its URL from Pinterest and head over to clickpin.com. Here you can simply download the video. Super easy. Now it's time for extracting frames. So head over to frameextractor.com, upload the video that you just downloaded and extract frames. Set the number of frame 1, and we are good to go. Now once you download the frame from the video, it's time to head back to our LoveArt platform. Here you need to generate another image using this image. So you have a unique image. You can select your frame and your image 2 that we just downloaded and open it. Once you add those references, we're going to be adding image 1 poses and dresses like image 2. Once we add that here, select your model and select your quality and everything. Aspect ratio 3:4, so it matches Instagram, and here you go. So this is the image that we got from LoveArt, and this is our totally customized, custom influencer ready static image. Head over to Key AI, and we're going to be selecting model Kling 2.6 for the animation. Now you can make her dance, you can make her do anything. Simply remove the default images, add your own reference video over here for motion capture, and add your own image on top. Make sure to keep this sequence and add any prompt. Anything is going to be working, like for example replicating the motion for the video. And once you have that ready, it's time to set the quality to 720p, which is more than enough. Right, now it's time to click on generate and relax. So you can see our video is ready and it looks absolutely amazing, and you have your totally customized your own influencer ready to go. So you can see everything looks sharp. You can also head over to Higgsfield to generate same exact video. If you prefer this platform, upload your reference image and video, and you're going to be getting, you can see the image and video. I hope this video was helpful, and if you find it helpful, you can consider subscribing to our channel. We are regularly uploading this kind of amazing AI tutorials, so make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and see you guys in the next video.